Welcome to Meditation 101, a beginner's guide to how meditation helps lead to a happy life. In this video, we'll cover the basics of meditation and how it can improve your life. Meditation is a technique that involves mindfulness, relaxation, and focus. It has been practiced for thousands of years and has many benefits for both the mind and body. Research has shown that meditation can reduce stress, improve concentration, and increase feelings of happiness and well-being. It can also lower blood pressure and improve immune function. To get started with meditation, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. That's it for our beginner's guide to meditation. We hope this video has inspired you to try meditation and experience its many benefits. Remember to practice regularly and be patient. The benefits of meditation will come with time.